What is up mga papi? For today's video, samahan nyo ako at i-unbox natin tong Lenovo ThinkPlus K30 Bluetooth speaker na binili natin sa Shopee.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Okay docs, bago tayo mag-unbox, unahin muna natin pag-usapan yung online store kung saan natin na-score tong Lenovo K30 Bluetooth speaker natin. So, nakuha natin to sa Global J online store sa Shopee for only 252 pesos plus 37 pesos na shipping. So, all in all, ang nagastos natin to purchase this speaker is 289 pesos. So, the color of the speaker is gray and maayos naman yung itsura niya. It's made out of plastic and then meron siyang rubber part where the controls are placed. Nakaprint din yung spec niya sa body ng speaker kaso it's in Chinese character kaya ang naintindihan ko lang is model K30 5 volts 500 milliamperes 3 watts at 1200 mAh. The top part of the speaker has a metal mesh and may kasama din siyang lanyard for easy handling. And meron din siyang, of course, user manual na most of the time hindi naman natin binabasa. So, the manual is on English and Chinese. And dito nakadetalye lahat ng functionalities nitong K30 Bluetooth speaker natin. And of course, this also comes with a Type-C charging cable. And on the rubber part of the speaker, andyan yung on and off power button natin. Meron niyang LED indicator na kulay blue ang color for you to know if the speaker is turned on or off. Tutunog din yan to signal that the speaker is powered on. And then ito yung port kung saan natin i-charge itong K30 natin. So, to turn on, i-long press lang natin yung power button. Dun sa back button naman, long press for previous song and short press to decrease the volume. Dun sa forward button, same din lang. Long press for the next song, short press to increase the volume. Dun sa play button naman, short press for play and pause. And then double press for the TWS couplet, which allows us to pair two audio devices via Bluetooth. So FYI, ang TWS nga pala is True Wireless Stereo. And then finally, we have the phone button, single press to answer or hang up, and then double press to call back, and of course long press to reject. So ayan, kinabit na natin yung mini lanyard niya, mukhang matibay naman and mukhang kayang-kaya naman niya ang weight nitong Lenovo ThinkPlus K30 Bluetooth speaker natin. So sa mga nagtatanong, kamusta naman yung tunog? Hindi ko na pinakita dito yung pag-test ko dahil baka makopyright tayo. Pero sound-wise, it's not bad. Malakas siya for something na ganito lang kaliit. Actually, nagulat nga ako dahil ang lakas eh. Pero of course, if you're looking for something na may bass, I recommend for you to look for something bigger, a bigger Bluetooth speaker kasi mabibitin ka dito kung bass ang hanap mo. So yun lang, that's it for our review. Worth it ba to for 250 pesos? Shoot na shoot to. Sobrang hindi ka nalugi dito. It looks and feel premium and maganda din naman ang tunog niya for its price range. Alright, so that's it for our Lenovo K30 Bluetooth speaker review. Bibili rin ba kayo nito? Please leave your comment and feedback below and pa-subscribe na din mga papi. Thanks for watching. Till the next Budo! Peace!